Hello students, my name is Sandeep. As you know, we have gone through a demo class. So now we will discuss some introduction to constants, variables and then keywords. So let's talk about character set. C character set. So alphabets, digits, special symbols, these are the different character sets. So constants, variables and keywords, this is the second topic. So basically a constant is a variable or an entity. It's not a variable, I can say. Constant is an entity that does not change. For example, a, b, c, any number 15, 20, 25, any digit, any alphabet or any special character that cannot be changed is called as a constant. Second one is a variable. Variable is an entity which can be changed. We will discuss about this later on. Third one is keywords. Keywords are the words which are reserved words. In C programming, there are some reserved words which cannot be used by a user for its own purpose. Let's talk about different types of constants: primary constants, variables, and keywords. So we have constants, primary constants, and secondary constants. These are two different kind of constants. Let me just move this. Okay. So in primary constants, we have integer constants, real constants, character constants. In case of secondary constants, we have array, pointers, and we have structure, union, enum. These are the different kind of secondary constants. We will discuss about this later on, but in this section we will just talk about primary constants like integer constants, real constants, and then character constants. There are some certain rules which are used to construct integer constants. If I talk about integer constants, integer must have at least one digit, means we have to use one digit. 0 is 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. It must not have any decimal point that will be converted in a floating point number. So integer must be a positive, it can be a negative. No comma or blanks are allowed in integer constant. So this is the range that is available for the integer, that is constant, -32768 to 32768. Most of the students in every class just cram this number. I don't know why they cram this number. There should be any logic behind this. So as per me, there is no need to cram this number. So we will discuss this, how to generate this number or why this range is particularly for the integer constant. Next is a rules for real constants. Real constants means floating point numbers like fractional part, exponential part. In two forms we can write real constants. It have a decimal point number It can be either a positive number or a negative number, as integers can be. Default sign is always a positive number. If we do not represent any kind of sign, then by default it will be a positive. So the next one is commas are not allowed, and there are two parts. One is the mantissa part, other one is the exponent part. So to represent the exponent part, we have to use e, this one. So mantissa part and the exponent part should be separated with e. The mantissa part may have a positive or negative. Default sign of mantissa part is positive, and the range is -3.4 E38 to 3.4 E38. Similarly, we have some rules for constructing character constants. Maximum length of the character constant can be 1. Character means one character. It can be a, it can be a 1, it can be a 9, it can be equal or a special symbol, but within single quote. Whatever we will represent between single quotes, that will be represented as a character constant. So these are the different rules which we will use while constructing different kind of constants. So we have different kind of variables also.